welcome yet again to my channel. I'm Victoria Ayo. I'm a local real estate agent in North and South Carolina. Today I am touring a community called Pinnacle at Wesley Chapel, located in Weddington, North Carolina. This community, guys, it's a 55 plus community, and this model home behind me here is called the Presley. The Presley can range anywhere from that 1,800 square foot to about 27 square foot, and the bedrooms range from about 2 to 4 bedrooms. This community has so much amenities, so many incentives, so be sure you check out the description bar below for more information about this community. Why don't we check out this home together? Okay, so first thing that we notice when we come in is this entryway here. So we have hardwood here throughout the first floor of the home. So what you've seen probably in a lot of my videos now is the tray ceiling and the tray accents all over the place. I think that's becoming a very, very popular thing. But we're gonna go over here to our right, which is the first bedroom here. So guys, remember I said that this community you can actually customize as you want. So you can choose to have one story or you can choose to add on two. It all depends on you. But when we come into this first bedroom here. And this bedroom, as you can see, it is a very, very spacious bedroom. And let's check out this closet space. That's actually a very nice sized closet. And I love the tall ceilings here as well with the tall doors. Just makes it feel very open and very unique. And then I love the choice of, I actually really find the choice of wallpaper to be very cute and interesting. I love it. And then, you know, this has its own ensuite bathroom here. So you don't necessarily have to share a hallway bathroom, although there is a hallway bathroom if intended. So this has a walk-in shower and the tiled walls in the shower. And I like the choice of flooring here. You have your granite countertop along with a single sink. So let's go on out and check out what else we have here. So when we walk out here, we walk out to this area is called, they call it a flex space because you can choose to leave it as kind of a second living area like this, or you have the option to convert the space into a formal dining area if you so desire to do so. And then right over here, we will transition to our kitchen area. So guys, check out this kitchen area. What more do you want here? Personally, I'm a lover of white cabinets, so I like the choice there. You have your gas range cooker here, your built-in oven, and more than enough storage space here. And you have your choice, of course, of your backsplash. And the appliances here do convey with the purchase of your home. And I like this choice of island because it's very nice. You can kind of just stand here and keep an eye on what is going on all around. Let's check out the pantry space here. It's a very nice sized pantry as well. Definitely you can fit a lot in there. That's a very unique style of pantry, and it's huge in my opinion. And then we're just gonna transition. This is a unique build here. It's kind of like a desk office area. You don't see that much at all actually, so it's perfect for you to just sit here and work on whatever it is you are looking for. And remember I told you about the flex space, which could be used as a formal dining area. So you have your less formal dining area here if you so desired. And this fits easily 6 people right here. And we slowly transition to our living space area. This living space area, guys, it's beautiful, it's intimate, and it is quite unique actually. I love the built-in cabinets and the built-in shelves right there. You know, it's a wonderful opportunity, you know, for you to showcase pictures of your family, your kids, and even grandkids here. And so yeah, so let me know in the comments, do you like this area? Do you like what you're seeing so far about this community? This could be perfect for anyone you know, 55 plus or older. So come on, let's check out the rest here. There is another bedroom down here. And so this bedroom, it is actually the owner suite. And check out, get into the tray ceiling decor and the room itself. The choice of wallpapers, accent, light fixture, everything is just grand here. I love it. And of course, we will transition to the bathroom here, the owner suite bathroom. You do have your double vanity sinks, and this is also granite countertop, but just a different style of granite countertop. And you have your tile through here. And guys, check this out. You have a walk-in shower. That's actually really cool. It reminds me of a spa, like kind of a spa shower. So I do like that. And you have, of course, your private toilet here. And it looks like, yeah, I thought I hit it. You have a linen closet here as well. And then the owner suite actually connects. So this is your owner suite closet, but the closet, this is actually a really cool feature. The closet connects back out to the laundry area, which connects back out to the living area. I know, that was a lot. So basically, as I came in through the owner suite, I came through the bathroom, into the closet, and now I am in the laundry space, and now I am in the hallway into the less formal dining room area. So I like that things are connected, so it's easy to kind of get about from one area to another. And I did mention there was a hallway bathroom. So this is the half bathroom, the half hallway bathroom here. So I like, once again, the choice of wallpaper here. It's very unique and it's very chic. So why don't we go upstairs and check out the den area and one other bedroom up there. Come along. We are now upstairs, and I like this den / loft area here. It's it's spacious actually, and I like this, right? You can just make this a game area here, and there's so much you can do with this space essentially. And you can kind of see it's sort of an L shape here. This area is set out for TV watching or just spending quality time together. And then there's the bedroom right through here. Oh, how precious. So this room is set up to be kind of like a grandkid's bedroom, whenever the grands come to visit. You have the idea of the bunk beds here. So that's really precious and that's very cute. And of course, a nice, oh wow, that's actually a really big closet. It goes all the way in. I was not expecting that. And then there's the bathroom out here in the hallway. And then we have this bathroom here with, of course, your walk-in shower and tile walls in the shower. And granite countertops here, single sink, and of course you have your linen closet here. So tell me guys, did you like this home? Do you know anyone who might be interested in this home? If you do, I would love for you to go ahead and give them my email address. It can be found in the description bar below, but I'll give it to you anyway. It's victoriabao@costellorei.com. You can find me on my social media at Victoria BAO Realtor. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and of course, here on YouTube. So guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button so others will be able to find this community and find more about Charlotte with ease. And I would love for you, if you haven't already, to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you become a part of my YouTube family. I will see you in the next video. See ya.